Welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. Today we're going to start with this really pretty green color. It's by Modelones. And then we're going to sketch a big old bat on it. And we're also going to use some Modelones cream gel for that. I like it because it's really thick and it stays where you put it. And it also is like, this is just a sketch here. So you can just roll a little bit of product into the brush and just sketch out a nice light little sketch. I actually just watched, who it was that? I can't remember her name or the name of her channel. She just did a really cool Beetlejuice Hello Kitty, and she was sketching out exactly the same way, and I love that. It's so much fun. Anyway, guys, we're going to sketch out this real big bat. And the reason for that is because I saw an ad on Temu. I think it's Temu, right? Where they had this pretty stained glass bat that would be like as a sun catcher or something. And I just loved it. As soon as I saw it, I loved it. If I shopped at Temu, I might have bought it for myself. It was so cute. And I thought, a bat on a nail. And I instantly decided that was going to be the next video, and so that's what we're going to try to accomplish today. It's not going to be really stained glass. I think you could probably get away with that if you did the bat in like a jelly colors, but then you'd have to color in around it or have a completely clear nail around it. And I wasn't really sure I was ready to try to execute that. So I decided we're going to do a transfer foil bat instead. So I'm just going to go ahead and sketch out the wings and the middle of the bat. And then we're going to fill it in with some pretty transfer foil. I'm not going to show you the other wing because this video is starting to get pretty long. And history shows that people don't stick around that long. So I just wanted to get you the information in a condensed, nice form, which is, I guess, what I always try to do. We're going to add some little ears to our bat. They almost look like bunny ears, though, right? But most of the bats I saw had pretty big ears on the Temu, and I thought it was so cute, so that's what we're doing. Now, with the transfer foil, I decided to just put some on my little palette there and then use a flat brush to put it on. To keep it nice and thin, but then also for a little extra control. A bigger brush might have been a little more messy. Now, also, if you get some outside of your sketch and you get transfer foil out there, a little acetone on a brush is going to take care of that for you. You don't want it to be too dry, though, because it doesn't really, you need a little product to get it loosened up. But just make sure you don't get into your sketch and you'll be just fine. So as you can see, I'm just doing a little smash, a little color here and there. And I do actually do 2 layers of the transfer foil. I was having a little bit too much spotty, situation where it didn't stick. And I wanted to make sure they were very well colored. So I do it twice, but I just show you the one again because of time constraints. This video actually, it took a couple of hours to get this guy done. Part of that is that, you draw something, you don't like it, you wipe it away and you try again. I am not as good as an artist as some folks out there, so there's some trial and error with me a little bit here and there. I don't think I'm a natural artist in drawing. I'm a little more artistic in other ways, but I want to stretch myself with drawing, so we're going to be trying some more hand painting things. Not to say that we won't use other things as well. It's just I want to stretch myself a little bit more. Okay, now that we've got the first or both layers down, this is both layers, I'm just going to come in with a little base coat so that we can protect that and draw on top of it. We haven't done anything with the head yet, right? He's just going to be fully black. While I filmed the video, I actually put little 2 green dots on his face for eyes. but I ended up not liking that. And so I put two little green gems for eyes. You'll see at the very end. I wasn't filming when I did that, so I do apologize. I should have grabbed the camera, but I didn't. And that's just me being lazy. There you go. So now on the other two nails that don't have part of the big bat on them. Oh my goodness, excuse me. All of a sudden a frog jumped right in my throat. We're going to go ahead and just do a quick bat French. I think the bat French is super, super cute. And it lends itself perfectly to this set. So, I feel like today's voiceover is just so awkward, and I have restarted it so many times, and I cannot continue to do that because we're already so late today. So let me just say, I am so sorry for being so freaking awkward today. I don't know what it is. Something's going on with me today. I have these weird stomach cramps. I'm wheezing a little bit with my asthma and it won't stop. So I just took an allergy pill. I guess there might be something in the air that's bothering me. Also, I struggled with filling these in, guys. I thought, oh, this flat brush is going to work. No, it didn't work. I just went right back to my little detail brush and just filled it in a little more slowly. I don't know why I was being so impatient with myself, but trial and error is part of arting, and there you go. There it is. That's all there is to it. Sometimes it's trial and error. But I did, in the end, get it all filled in and cute. I love these little bat Frenches. They are just so, so darling. But anyway, back to, I'm just so awkward today. Something is off about me. When I get done here, I'm going to take my dog for a walk, and then I'm going to wash my dishes and just sort of focus on mundane tasks that don't require any thought process. Because I do not have any thought process. I don't have any thought process today, guys. Now, don't forget, guys, cleanup brush is your best friend. Don't get discouraged. Sometimes all you need is a little cleanup and you're good to go. A dotting tool will help us make a little head for him. And then we'll use our detail brush to give him some ears. There we go. Look how cute he is. And now let's fill in this face. Same thing. This brush, no. I had to get a shorter, fatter brush, and that worked much better. I could have used this to fill in the wings as well. Don't know why I didn't think about it. Didn't, though. Now that's his little face, and we'll be putting some green gems on there off camera. Again, I'm sorry. But I did give... We're going to go ahead and outline everything. Strengthen that sketch and make it more oomphy, right? I suppose you could have left it without the outline, but I think it just looks unfinished, right? Now, this is going to be a matte set. We're just going to do a matte set, but I'm going to do the bat shiny. So we are going to come in again with that flat brush and sorry guys, my throat. I don't know what's going on with me today. Everything is wrong. But we're going to come in with that flat brush and put down a little shiny top coat. Because you want those colors to pop, right? Okay, we're going to do some line work inside the bat's bodies and inside the wings to be super, super cute. I did pull back and not show all the outlining of the entire bat body. That took a really long time for me to get it done, and this video could have easily been 30 minutes long, but I tried to keep it short as I can anyway. But we're going to add the lines inside the bat, inside his wings, and inside his cute little body, and that's going to give it a little more definition and detail. Going to be super cute. I don't know if it's anatomically bat correct. I just thought it was cute. And it was one of the things inside the Temu bats that I thought was super adorable, right? Add a few more lines in here. And then after that, everything is going to get a matte top coat. The nails themselves, by and large, are going to be matte. Here we go. These are out of order, of course. I'm sorry. I don't know whether that fuzzy, wow, that got super fuzzy there. Sorry about that, guys. That's crazy. I'm so stunned. I didn't know. I didn't even remember from editing that that happened. That's really weird. Sometimes that happens, like you get too close, or maybe your hair is in it or something, and next thing you know, you have a fuzzy view. A fuzzy view. Yeah, a fuzzy view. Anyway, we're going to pop that into the lamp, and then with that same flat brush, we're going to come in and do some top coat on the bat itself. And you do want to use your liner brush to make sure you get all the black lines as well on the outline, to make sure everything is nice and shiny. You don't have to do this. You could just leave it matte, but you're really going to lose the shine of that transfer foil, because the ones I picked are the chrome colored ones, right? And that's got a certain sheen to it that you would lose with a matte top coat. And so I found it to be much more enjoyable if it was shiny. Gosh, I just got that awkward feeling again. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so awkward today. Now you can see here the little green eyes I put on, but they aren't enough. And when at the end here, you'll see their cute little gem eyes instead. It was much more adorable, I have to say. I really liked it much, much more. Guys, what are you doing for Halloween? Do you have plans? Tell us your plans in the comment section below. I might get some trick-or-treating, but I'm not sure yet. Guys, here is our finished set, our finished bat. See his cute little gemmy eyes. I thought about adding more gems, but this set was a lot, so I just kept it as is. I think it is so, so, so cute. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Would you wear these? Are they a little bit too much for you? I'm not thinking everyone would wear these, but I think I would. I think I would for sure. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Even though it was a little bit late, we're going to see you next week for some more awesome Halloween fun. See you then. Bye-bye.